So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting this unable to connect, please try again later little box that's coming up on your particular iPhone. Now, whether you're on an iPhone or Android, it doesn't really matter. But if you're on WhatsApp, this is an issue that can happen and plague you forever. Whether you're typing in your phone number or you're typing in whatever other thing, there's a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now, the first thing I recommend doing is double checking and verifying that you do have some sort of phone number or cell connection associated with your phone and that you have cell signal on your device. So what you can do is you can make your way over to your settings of your particular phone, iPhone, Android, whatever you have, and you want to go and find your cell connection right here. So find cellular. What you want to do is you basically want to go ahead and find and just make sure that your phone number is set up on your phone, but also that you have a Wi-Fi connection or some sort of cell connection. Those are kind of the main ways to go and just kind of fix this problem first of all, right? That's the very first thing I'd recommend kind of looking at. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be fixing this problem, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over into your App Store. So make your way over into your App Store just like this. Click on your search bar at the very bottom right. You want to go and click on the search bar up there, and you basically want to search up for WhatsApp. So search up WhatsApp just like this, and what you want to do is you basically just want to go through and see if there's an update available for WhatsApp. So go right here, search up WhatsApp just like this, and you want to go ahead and basically just save this particular application down, and you want to just go ahead and make sure that it's updated. So update this app, and that's another thing I can highly recommend a lot of people to do as well. Now if you do that and that's still not working, you can try going through and restarting your phone. So hold down the volume up button and the side button at the same time, restart your device, turn it on, turn it back on and off. And that's another thing I'd recommend doing if that's still not working. I'd probably recommend trying to update your phone. So click on settings, go into general or your iPhone, Android, whatever you have. Try updating that phone and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. So those are a few different ways to go about fixing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.